So this conveyor application is going to be for bags of chips. So all they're trying to do is to transport from a bagging system into different case packing and tote filling systems. What we had to do was a thermal drive belt conveyor for like a wash down food safe. You know, we had a pretty tight footprint, rates are pretty fast, stainless steel construction.
For this project, System Technology came in as the right partner. Their ability to do custom conveyor solutions in sanitary environments, their thoroughness with the design and all the details that were required by the customer and their ability to meet them, and their expertise and years of experience in general with conveyor solutions made them the perfect partner for this project. So this project is pretty particular. It's changing the way the customer is packaging chips for an internal process that is done later on. So this project is taking chips coming out of a vertical bagger and essentially filling up giant totes instead of individual boxes, because these totes will then be used in a different process in another site or a different type of packaging.
You know, we got to know Tidas a little bit working with them through Pack Expo. Tidas was able to support us on the robotics side for Pack Expo, so we got to meet Christian, got to meet Ken Tennell, the president of Tidas, and then some other members of Tidas Automation. This is actually our first official project with Tidas. We have a lot more in the hopper right now, a lot more to come. I would say that it's not there yet, but the first official project is looking pretty good. And I think between the two companies, we really have a bright future ahead.